Welcome back to Easy English Stories. Today, you'll hear 5 real-life English conversations. Pay attention to how people react, ask follow-up questions, and share their own experiences. This is how real conversations grow naturally. Let's get started.
I've checked my email twice already.
It's not even 8.
I know.
Still thinking about the interview?
A little.
A little.
Okay, a lot.
What are you worried about?
What if someone else interviewed better?
Someone probably did.
Wow, thanks.
I'm serious.
You're unbelievable.
Listen, there will always be someone smarter, more experienced, or more confident.
This is getting worse.
But they didn't interview that person. They interviewed you.
That's actually a good point.
And you did well.
I think I did.
Then stop interviewing yourself.
What?
The interview is over.
Easy for you to say.
After my last interview, I replayed every answer for 3 days.
3 days?
Then, I got the job.
So all that worrying was pointless.
Pretty much.
Wait.
What?
Email.
Is it them?
Pizza coupon.
Haha, at least somebody wants you.
Liam! I should probably stop checking my phone.
That's the healthiest thing you've said all day.
Maybe I'll clean the kitchen.
Now I'm worried. You're not answering?
What if it's spam?
5 seconds ago, you wanted it to be them.
Good point.
Hi, may I speak with Anna Parker?
This is Anna.
Hi, Anna. This is Karen from Greenfield Customer Solutions.
Oh,
Did I catch you at a bad time?
no, not at all.
I'm calling because we've made a decision.
Okay.
We'd like to offer you the position.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Wow.
Is that a good wow?
That's a very good wow.
We're excited to have you join the team.
Thank you so much.
Can you start next Monday?
Absolutely.
Perfect. I'll send over the details this afternoon.
Thank you again.
Congratulations, Anna.
Well? Anna,
I got it.
you got it?
I got it.
I knew it.
No, you didn't.
Okay, I hoped it.
That sounds more honest.
How do you feel?
Relieved.
That's it?
And tired.
Tired?
I've been stressed for weeks.
Fair.
You know what's funny?
What?
The second she said, I got the job, I stopped thinking about every mistake I made in the interview.
Exactly.
All weekend I kept replaying everything.
And now?
Now none of it seems important.
Because it isn't.
Maybe that's the lesson.
What's that?
We spend so much time worrying about things that never matter.
Deep.
I have a job now. Let me be deep.
You've earned it.
I think I'm nervous again.
Already?
What if I forget someone's name?
You will.
Thanks.
What if you make a mistake?
I probably will.
Exactly.
You're not helping.
I'm helping.
How?
You're acting like everyone expects you to be perfect tomorrow.
Don't they?
No,
Then what do they expect?
for you to show up
That's it?
and learn.
That's a lot less scary.
Your goal tomorrow isn't to impress everyone.
Then what is it?
Learn one thing.
One thing?
Then, learn another thing the next day.
I can do that.
See? You're already succeeding. How was it?
Honestly?
Always.
Better than I expected.
That's a good sign.
I was worried I'd feel out of place.
Did you?
For about 10 minutes.
What changed?
Everyone introduced themselves.
Nice.
One woman invited me to lunch.
See? Humans.
Turns out,
What was the hardest part?
remembering names.
Classic.
I met like 15 people.
And how many names do you remember?
3.
That's actually not bad.
I learned something today.
What's that?
Nobody expected me to know everything.
Exactly what I told you.
I hate when you're right.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
So, ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Confident?
More confident than yesterday.
That's all you need. Now, try listening at natural speed. Listen carefully.
How was it?
Better than I expected.
That's a good sign.
I was worried I'd feel out of place.
Did you? Did you?
For about 10 minutes.
What was the hardest part?
Remembering names.
Classic.
I met like 15 people.
And how many names do you remember?
3.
That's actually not bad.
I learned something today.
What's that?
Nobody expected me to know everything.
Exactly what I told you. So, ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Great job. Now let's listen to the conversation one more time at natural speed without subtitles. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Just focus on the main ideas and enjoy the conversation.
How was it?
Better than I expected.
That's a good sign.
I was worried I'd feel out of place.
Did you? Did you?
For about 10 minutes.
What was the hardest part?
Remembering names.
Classic.
I met like 15 people.
And how many names do you remember?
3.
That's actually not bad.
I learned something today.
What's that?
Nobody expected me to know everything.
Exactly what I told you. So, ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
How much did you understand? Did you catch every word? If not, listen again and keep practicing.